In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Make sure that Timeout is set up to infinite and go into Tab menu to edit it. In order to do that, use this pen at the top right corner. Select Edit under Full. Look for Caffeine shortcut under Available buttons and add it to your current ones by dragging it wherever you want to. Then let go, select Done, and go back to Tab menu to click on your new shortcut. Click on this switcher next to Allow Permission, go back and click on the shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!